Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to talk about something we all need. A simple way to schedule meeting. The tool is called Doodle, and in this video we will review it for 2025. Is Doodle still the best tool for scheduling in this year? Let's find that out. Before we start, make sure to check the description below. I added the latest link and updates and more information. If you want to try Doodle or see alternatives, check that out. So let's talk about Doodle. If you don't know what Doodle is, it's a free and easy online tool where you can choose time slots and ask others to vote for the time they prefer. It's super helpful when you want to meet with friends, teammates or co-workers and everybody has a different schedule. In 2025, Doodle still works well. The design is clean and modern. It looks simple and you don't feel confused when you use it. You just go to the site, pick some time option and send the links to others. Doodle has both free and paid version. The free version works fine for small meeting or casual use. But if you are using it for work or business, the paid version gives you extra feature like automatic reminder, no ad, custom branding and more control over who sees the results. What I really like is that Doodle now also works great with Google Calendar and Outlook. That means you connect your calendar, it shows when you are busy or free and helps you to avoid double booking. Another update in 2025, Doodle has improved mobile support. If you are using a phone or tablet, it still works fast and looks clean. That's great for people who are always on the go. Now let's talk about the downside. One thing to know is if you are using the free version, you may see some ad and also you cannot remove Doodle branding. Also the advanced feature like group meeting, control and time zone sync are only for paid users. But still for most people, Doodle is simple, fast and does the job well. You don't need to teach your friend or co-worker how to use it. Just share the link and they click and choose their time. So is Doodle still the best in 2025? Honestly, yes. If you want something easy, clean and not confusing, it's one of the best. There are other tools out there, but Doodle stays strong because it focuses on one thing and it does that one thing really well. Alright, that's the review. If you want to try Doodle or compare with other tools, check the description below. I added useful link and some suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest review like this. See you in the next video.